Hey guys, welcome back to Kat's Kitchen. Thanks so much for joining me again today. What we're gonna do is we're gonna throw together a quick, easy marinade for our shrimp for the grill for tomorrow. Anytime I'm doing a marinade, I like to let it sit for at least 24 hours. Sometimes I'll even do, between 2 to 3 days as well. So what we've got here, and we're gonna make some chicken skewers on our grill tomorrow. So I have some really nice, this is cleaned, peeled shrimp. If you don't know how to clean shrimp properly, go to my beach video. There I show you a little bit more in depth on how to do it. It's really important to make sure you're cleaning your shrimp. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 2 squeezed juice of limes. Okay. Next, we're gonna do some cilantro. This is 1 bunch. I'm gonna maybe do about half of this to start, and I'm gonna see if I need any more. Next, I have some scallions, just for a little bit of flavor. I'm just gonna throw some of this in because it was already prepped from my refrigerator. Then I have some olive oil. Whenever I'm doing marinades, I like to use olive oil over avocado oil. Just a nice bit of, it adds a nice bit of flavor. Next, we're gonna add some garlic. That was about a good tablespoon of garlic. Then some red pepper flakes. We don't like things too spicy, but what I'm trying to do is just balance some flavors here. I want a little bit of that in there. And then some salt and pepper. We're just gonna get in here and mix it. Make sure it has enough oil to marinate in. Add a little bit more oil. It smells divine. And then when we go to make it tomorrow, I've already prepared our veggies that are going on the skewers. I have, let me see, what do I have? I have cubed up zucchini. Oh, that smells so good. I have cubed up zucchini and bell pepper. So that'll also be going on these skewers. And I'll probably do some onion as well because we really like grilled onion. So that's it. So I'm just gonna wrap this up. This literally took, with the prep, with actually chopping, it maybe took 3 to 5 minutes total. So that's not bad at all. So there's a fast, easy marinade for you. I'll see you tomorrow whenever we start grilling it.